Hello friends, today I will show you how you can see all the devices where your Instagram account is logged in. This is very simple to see. Just watch the full video without skipping any part of it. Let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application and then click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you are on the profile, click on this menu bar and then click on the Account Center. Now select Password and Security in the Account Settings section. Now you can see the option for where you are logged in, so just click on it. On this page, you may see your different Instagram accounts, so simply click on the account for which you want to see the logged-in devices. I have only one account, so I am setting this up. After this, you can finally see the devices where your Instagram account is logged in. If you want to remove any devices, just click on Select Devices to log out, which is written in red, and then simply log out from here. This is how anyone can see where his or her Instagram account is logged in. If you found the video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.